Wind bamboo chimes. Sound, craft, and garden harmony. Imagine a gentle breeze moving through bamboo chimes, soft, earthy tones drifting like forest whispers. It's not just sound, that's where upblend outdoors. Metal chimes can feel harsh, sharp, loud, out of place in a quiet garden. But bamboo chimes, they sing with the wind, hollow, warm, grounding. In 2026, 75% of wind chime buyers chose eco-friendly materials like bamboo. Bamboo chimes offer a softer, lower volume tone, perfect for porches, patios, and meditation spaces where peace matters most. Crafted from sustainable bamboo, each chime features natural grain and warm tones that complement wood, stone, and greenery, beauty that lasts. Metal chimes ring loud and sharp, often too much for quiet spaces. Bamboo chimes deliver soft, earthy tones that flow with the breeze. Choose harmony. Bamboo chimes produce a hollow, warm tone that blends with nature instead of cutting through it, perfect for quiet spaces where. In 2026, 75% of wind chime buyers chose eco-friendly materials like bamboo, a clear shift towards sustainable outdoor decor. There's something deeply peaceful about hearing bamboo chimes sway in the breeze, like the garden itself is whispering back. Every upblend outdoors bamboo chime is made from sustainably harvested stalks, features natural grain variation, and is designed for long-lasting outdoor use. Worried bamboo chimes won't last or sound rich enough? Think again. Each chime showcases the natural beauty of bamboo, unique grain patterns, soft color variations, and organic shapes that no factory can. See how the slender, vertical bamboo tubes catch the light and sway gracefully in even the lightest breeze, creating both a delicate sound and a ready to bring the soothing sound of bamboo chimes to your home. 75% of wind chime buyers now choose eco-friendly materials like bamboo. This isn't just a trend, it's a shift toward mindful living. There's a quiet magic in how bamboo chimes respond to the wind, not with a clash, but a conversation. Each chime is crafted with care, sustainably sourced, naturally resonant, and built to last. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this helpful, Upblend Outdoors has everything you need, from expert advice to top quality products that deliver real results every time.